damage. Domestic terrorism.
Thursday at 6 on News 3.
Isn't it something? Your grandma's flyer back in the day, then my mom's, now mine.
Hi there, just taking a quick video of the Cobra 360 laser. The model number is XRS 9770. The serial number is ending in 244. Now it includes the car adapter and the AC adapter. And so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in so that you can see it's working fine.
Let's take a little test together. Which looks better? This?
Testing.
This?
System ready.
Or this? Seems clear to me.
And then you just set the city or highway. This is showing that we're going southwest. You press this and you program it. Set the city, yes, and beep is off, no, city. And so you can also adjust the volume, which is right here, and settings saved. So it shows you the directions. There's a compass, C for compass, and then you can dim it or get it bright and then program it. Now I'm pretty sure there's a there's a manual at their website. Cobra's pretty good about that, but it's kind of self-explanatory. And it's showing that it has 15 band and over here 360 degree laser. So there it is, and it's for sale.
If your financial situation has changed, we may be able to help.